Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely display of tissue paper almond blossom to celebrate the blossoming of the almond trees in Morocco. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need pink and white tissue paper, scissors, glue, twine, a vase and 3 or more small branches. Start by looking at the information on page 2 and learn about the Almond Blossom Festival in Tafraout that happens every February. To make your first blossom, cut 2 5 to 6 centimetre circles from your pink tissue paper and 1 5 to 6 centimetre circle from your white tissue paper, like I'm doing here. Next, crumple the 3 tissue paper circles together so that the edges fan out around a little cone-shaped base. It should look like a small pink flower. You can tie a short length of twine around the base to secure it in place, but this is optional. Repeat this process to create more flowers. Aim to make at least 10 flowers for each branch so that they are nicely covered in blossom. Use glue to stick your paper flowers to the thinner ends of your branches so that they look like they are speckled with almond blossom. Use the pictures on the worksheet for guidance on how to make the arrangement of blossoms look natural. Arrange your blossom branches in a nice vase and display it on a windowsill or table for everyone to enjoy. I hope you have lots of fun making a display of almond blossom this week, and make sure to share your creations with REEP by tagging us on Instagram and Facebook.